Hey, what's up YouTube? We got another crate and it's time to open it up. So let's just go ahead and get started. And just to remind you guys, if you're new to my channel, please leave a like. I'm still trying to hit 1,000 subscribers as always. And if you like what you see, leave a like. It really helps me out. Here is a quick preview. We have a shirt. And if you want any Loot Gaming Crate, I have a link below that gives you $5 off. So that's something. Alright, let's get started. We have a shirt here. Alright, there we go. Okay. And then there's nothing on the back. Alright, there's the design. Check this out. It's a little metal tin suitcase. Destiny 2. I wonder if there's anything inside. Alright, Destiny 2 Shadow Keep. It's like a little mini lunchbox. And there's nothing inside. Alright, this could be cool for like cigarettes or for, I don't know, for like erasers. Just whatever you want to put in here. I was hoping it came with something cool in here, but nope. Alright, they included a patch set. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, Project Axiom. We have these little patches. Okay. Alright, we got something pretty cool here. So I know that the crate feels kind of light. That's because they have a collectible figure that's pretty expensive, I'm assuming. So they don't want to give us a lot of items. And here you go. Here's the collectible figure, Borderlands 3. The Psycho Bandit vinyl figure. There you go. Let's see. Alright, this is not bad. Oh, looks like his little weapon can move around. Alright, he feels pretty decent. Doesn't feel like he's gonna break. Okay, he's pretty sturdy. Pretty tall for a figure. The details are pretty nice. This is pretty cool overall. Alright. Here's the collectible pin. And here you go. Alright, and then they always include the QR code. And looks like that's it for this crate. We have the patch set, the pin, this little metal tin box, the figure, and the shirt. So this concludes the video. As always, just leave a like and subscribe for any new videos, and I'll see you guys next time.